Hi, hello everyone. Have a nice day today. Why? Why it's nice day? Hmm. Oh, because despite of the situation, I am here to learn with me is through this online study. We have this video clips today for you to learn with teacher Gerald. I am going to share with you a lesson about animal or your pet maybe. you know, you know some animals. yeah. we have here. This is a cat. No. It's a dog. No. It's a lion. What is this?
A zebra.
Exactly. It's a zebra. Look at the zebra beside me here. You know what? We are going to talk about them. Different kinds of animals. Oh, by the way, do you have pet at home? Like dogs, cats? Do you have? Oh, that's nice if you have. Or fish. Or hamster. Mouse. A snake. Oh no, snake. Are you scared of a snake? Yeah, I know some of you are afraid of snake, but sometimes, like teacher Gerald, I catch them. So we are going to learn today about animals. So we have different kinds of animals. What is this? Oh, here you are. A mouse. Here, maybe I have here. A lion. Yeah, a lion and a zebra together. All right, and we have also here. We have here a flamingo. Yeah, you can find this if you are going to the zoo. You can find some flamingos there. Hello. Hello, says the flamingo. Well, so my question for you today, what animals do you like? Huh? What animals do you like? I like dogs. I like cats. I like fish. I like zebra. I like what else? I like deer. I like bear. So I am going to ask you, okay? So you can answer me. What animals do you like? Or what animal do you like? Do you have pet? You can tell us like I like dog. Right? Good job. So you can practice yourself. If the question is what animals do you like? So you can answer I like and then tell me the animals. I like cats. I like dog. I like lions. I like bear. I like what else? I like kangaroo. yes. So we are going to learn more about this, and I hope you will enjoy, and we will sing also. All right, let's have our singing. Little bird, can you clap? No, I can't. No, I can't. I can't clap. Little bird, can you fly? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can fly. yes I can stomp. Yes. Little fish, can you stamp? No I can't, no I can't stamp. Little fish, can you swim? Yes I can, I can swim. Yeah. Gorilla, can you swim? No I can't, I can't swim. Gorilla, can you climb? Yes I can, I can climb. Buffalo, can you climb? No I can't, I can't climb. Buffalo, can you run? Yes I can, I can run. Boys and girls, can you sing? Yes we can, we can sing. Boys and girls, can you dance? Yes we can, yes we can dance. Yay! So that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you again next time. Goodbye.